Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Georgia sales tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Georgia sales tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in gtc.door.ga.gov and make a search. On the next page, tap on click here to start over. You will end up on the login page of Georgia Sales Tax. Enter your username and password associated with your Georgia Sales Tax account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Username or Password option. This is how you can log into your Georgia sales tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.